Phenolic resin countertops are ideal in various heavy-duty scientific applications, healthcare lab settings, and water treatment plants. This is categorized as high-end product. The attendee will be introduced to manufacturing of resin countertops with economic feasibility studies. Free guidance is available in advisory role for young entrepreneur by TE&MC. These countertops are lightweight, hard, durable and highly chemical resistant. Cleaning is as simple as applying solvent and wiping away with a clean soft rag. Phenolic resins show a low level of heat resistance, whereas epoxy resins show a high level of heat resistance. Manufacturing of epoxy resin countertops will be introduced in separate course. This short course is divided into 5 lectures which describe all the important aspects of phenolic resin countertops. This useful product has great market potential. Expenditure on manufacturing line is considered to be mid-range. This pictorial presentation of the complete manufacturing process shows all the steps and equipment required for this project. Price range of phenolic resin countertops is quite affordable, as these have much longer working life than metallic or wooden countertops. Run the drill slow enough that you don't get any melting. It will make a perfect hole. While cleaning, non-alcoholic solvents should be used. Contact us on email to book slot for this course. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.